Our third and final chart in our chart series is a line chart, also known as a fever chart. These are great when we're trying to show a trend and is not an analysis of the numbers themselves. So a line chart has an x-axis as well as a y-axis, just like a bar and column chart is. It's not very good to use a line chart or a fever chart when the numbers are so close together. It's very difficult to establish a trend. We're going to go to our Happy Villas profit and loss statement, and we're going to be scrolling all the way down to row 167, where our net operating income is. We are going to hold down our left mouse button as we make E5 our active cell and scroll across, and selecting the range of E5 to H5, we're going to then hold down the control button and select the range of E167 all the way over to H167. So we've got two selections. We're going to hit the F11 key and our chart automatically is generated. But once again, this is a column chart and we want a line chart. We're going to come here in our chart tools ribbon in the design sub ribbon and click on chart type. We've been there before. We're going to choose line chart and select the first option in our line chart and choose OK. And you can see that the column chart quickly turns into a line chart trending each quarter's net operating income. So at quick glance within a few seconds, we're able to see that Q2 was our best quarter and Q4 was our worst, but it was a gradual decline from Q2 to Q4. If we want to add the values of each point, we can click on our quick layout and choose the second layout option, layout number 2, which shows our line chart without the minimum and maximum lines. So we can delete the series legend because it's all blue, as well as the chart title if we'd like. And now we have a very nice line chart of our net operating income for the 4 quarters in 2016 with the respective values next to the chart.